Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Zaria, and if you do know me, we do have another weird setup situation. I'm actually in a hotel room right now. I'm in Atlanta. Anyways, yeah, so I had to record this video. I had to get this video out. So look, I'm over here recording in a hotel room. Sometimes you just gotta make it do what it do. Anyways, this video is just like a kind of follow-up video on my last video about Ishow hair. As you can tell, I'm feeling this hair, like, sis. Anyways, my last video was more of just like an unboxing. This is what the hair looks like. This video is actually gonna be me installing the wig from start to finish. So like, from when I got my straight backs in, my braids in, all the way to this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys wanna see how I install my wig, then keep watching. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. My braids honestly look a mess, and I never sewed them, so I just kind of like push them up this way, and I'm gonna put my wig on. So I usually keep this wig cap in when I do my wigs. I don't know, I'm probably gonna stop doing that, but this is kind of how I do it now. And I'm just gonna go ahead and like edge control my edges because I really don't want to get them caught in the glue. Now I'm just gonna pull this forward because it's time to glue this down. I just washed it and blow dried it, so it's like all over the place right now. So now I'm just trying to like pull the lace to kind of like where I want it. And I'm gonna pull the hair out the way. So like whatever. So this looks pretty good. It looks like where I would want it. So I'm just gonna bend it back a little bit, but keep it in the same place, if that makes any sense. Now I'm taking my Ghost Bond glue. I always use Ghost Bond glue because I feel like it just lasts the longest, but if y'all have any recommendations, let me know because I can use some, especially if it's like waterproof, all of that. So I'm just gonna glue my hair. I'm probably gonna speed this part up because it's just me gluing my hair, but that's basically what I'm about to do now. Ooh, I kind of put too much right there. Okay, I fixed it. By the way, I'm using the end of this like little paintbrush thing just because it was the only like flat thing that I had to like, look. Y'all, look what happened to my glue. I don't know what the hell is going on, but it all just came out at once. So I'm really about to sit here and try to like make it come on flat because look. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm putting so much glue, but it's so hard because it all came out at the same time. Like, what the hell? But basically, I'm just trying to like flatten it out until it's clear because you don't want it to be white and then you put your wig down and then the whole thing is white. So I'm just trying to put on as little as possible and then even it out. Not as little as possible, but just trying not to put like way too much at once because then it's hard to even it out and make it clear, you know what I mean? Okay, so I'm gonna pull it forward now and try to place it where I want it. It's obviously not gonna be perfect right away because we didn't glue everything, but we at least got a little starting point. And I'm taking this hair tie out. Okay, so this part didn't stick. I probably should have took my time a little more doing this. So I'm just gonna add more glue and do another layer, flatten it out. Usually when I do this, I try to do like 3 layers so that it really, really holds. And I'm gonna just wait for it to turn clear before I press it down because like I said, you don't want it to be white, like that's not cute, so. Okay, so I'm pressing it down. It feels like it's actually sticking this time. Yeah, so it's probably just really lazy of me to sit here and try to do like 1 layer. Okay, so now you see how it's like glued down except for in the front. We're just gonna go back in and add glue to the front. It's like a process. Like this literally takes forever and it'd be so annoying, but when it's done, it be looking good, so it's worth it. And sorry if I keep looking up this way, you guys. I'm in like a hotel bathroom. You know how the mirrors be, they be like coming out the wall? That's basically what I'm working with right now. It's not coming out so much anymore, so it's easier to control how much I'm adding. And usually people do it like section by section. Sometimes I do that if I feel like, I don't know, if I feel like taking my time, but I don't know. Sometimes I'll be in a rush. So I'm like, we need to just get this all out the way at once. I think the main thing is to just try not to get the glue outside of where the lace is gonna be, because when you have glue on your forehead, sis, that's the most annoying thing. So you just try to stay within where the lace is, which is why I kind of like ended up having more lace left, because I was trying not to go beyond that point. Some people use eyeliner and like, you know, whatever, I don't know what people be using, pens, pencils, but basically they just be marking where their lace is so that they don't put the glue beyond that point. You can do that. I'm not really doing that today, but that is an option. So I'm just gonna stick it down. Sticking it down now. Okay, so now that we got the front down, we basically gotta now just glue down the side. This is exactly why people say frontals are high maintenance, because this is what you have to go through. But it lasts for a few days. Okay, so we got the glue down and it's clear, so I'm gonna go ahead and press the sides down. I had to put more on the side because obviously, like I said, I kind of just put it where the lace is. A lot of people, I feel like when they do their lace, they do it section by section by section this way, but I kind of do it like from the back and then moving to the front, if that makes any sense. I don't know, I just kind of feel like that's what works for me. And it's still in a sense like section by section going this way too, but you know, you just gotta figure out what works for you. That's what works for me. Okay, so we're pressing it down. Pressing it down. And I'm just brushing these hairs back a little bit because I like when it comes down like baby hair, but I don't like when it's stuck to the glue, so it's like I have to brush it out the way. This is basically what it looks like once I glue it down. Okay, I have my part, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this baby hair situation. I'm gonna put a little bit of edge control in it, but not too much because I don't want it to look like it's like sticking to my face. I hate when hair gets in my lip gloss. Ooh. Okay, so boom. That's my baby hairs. So far this is what my hair's looking like. Obviously, now I have to style it. I mean, I had just washed it, so it's kind of like poofy. So I'm gonna just go ahead and throw some like wand curls in it. I'm not gonna OD with the wand curls, but I do want it to be like, I want it to look like I kind of like did something to it. So let me get the wand. I don't even know where I put it. Okay, y'all, so this is basically what the hair is looking like. That is how I install my hair. I just had to just style it a little bit to show you guys what this wig can kind of do. I'm in love with this hair. Ishow hair, thank you, because y'all really gave us some affordable hair that's making it do what it do. Like, I'm here for it. This is cute as hell, so I'm impressed. Anyways, you guys, that is how I install my hair. I know I've never really done like an install, like a wig install video on YouTube before. It is so hard to record, but I'm glad I finally made it through. If you guys like this video, please remember to like this video, comment. I want to know like, I don't know if you guys do it different. I like to hear what you guys have to say. Like, even when I did my wash day routine, a lot of you guys were saying how you wash your hair, and like, you know, I actually like to read comments like that are actually either like helpful or informative, or just like, I don't know, if I helped you in any kind of way. I want to hear about all that, so leave it in the comments below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I'm going to start doing polls and just things on my Instagram that are going to relate directly back to my YouTube page. So I definitely want all of you guys to move on over to Instagram, follow me there so that we can all be connected. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Girl, you want more beauty videos? We're gonna have some travel videos. We're gonna have a lot on this channel. So I'm really excited for what 2020 has in store. So I really want you guys to be a part of it. So definitely make sure you like this video, you comment on this video, and you subscribe. But yeah, I think that is pretty much If you're gonna buy this hair, definitely comment and let me know. Use my discount code. It should either be somewhere in the video or somewhere in the description. Either or both. Anyways, that is gonna be all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.